2016 Nissan JUKE. The JUKE is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, premium sound system. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.